the selected coins will posted that people should buy for the bull run. So we'll be demonstrating on how to buy them, and I'll be using Bybit for this demonstration. So you download the Bybit and then quickly fund the account. Okay. So when you deposit money to the account, the money will be in the funding account. So before you make this transaction, you have to change it to unified trading account. So you convert it or you transfer it. So you have to transfer it to unified trading accounts for you to be able to buy directly from the market. Okay. So I want to transfer it from the funding account to the unified account. Okay. And I want to use the maximum USDT available. So I'll just use $45 to demonstrate this. What I have is $46. So you click confirm. As soon as you've selected from USDT transfer to unified trading account, you confirm. Alright, so the transfer is successful. Next is for you to click on these trades. Okay, so the coins will listed that we should buy. We listed 12 coins. So if you've not watched this video, go to this video on my account, selected coins to buy for the bull run season. Okay, so you can go back and watch it. I want to use $45 to do this, so I will use $15 to buy 3 coins just to demonstrate how to make this purchase on Bybit. All right, thank you. If you've not subscribed, if you've not followed, if you've not liked our page and our channel, kindly do so. Give it a thumbs up and also click on the notification bell, so as soon as you push a post or a video, you'll be the first to know. Thank you. Okay, so I will first of all buy the LPT. So we'll go back to our trading account and select, you click on this arrow, here, then you type, okay, make sure, first of all, the things you need to note, make sure that you are on spot. So we have to be on spot here, and you then click on the arrow, click on this to select a particular coin you want. Okay, so LPT. Okay, LPT is, as you can see, LPT is not on spot, it's on features. So we have to select another coin. So let me quickly select SRP in replacement of this LPT that I wanted to use. So I select XRP USDT. Okay, so I want to use $15 to buy this. SRP has been showing some potential, so let's add it to the list of coins we want to buy for the bull run. So how much do I want to use to do this? And I want 15 USDT. So as soon as you put the amount you want, the USDT you want to use to buy SRP, then you click buy. Okay, you now buy at that rate. Okay, so the order has been bought successfully. Let's go back to our assets to confirm if it's there. So you click on the asset. The USDT that you have has reduced, so you go down and the SRP is already there. That's one. So we're using $45 to buy, so we'll buy another one. We have small of pancake here, we have Punky here, So we won't be selecting those ones. So let's go back to our list, not. So let's check on not coin. We'll come back to the trade. You click on here and try NOT. Okay, not coin is done on this, so we'll select not coin. So the purpose of using this $15, as soon as the market dips again, we'll buy more. So as the market dips, we'll buy more. So this is not coin. I put the amount of USDT I want, 15 USDT. Okay. Then so this is buying at the market price. Select buy. You confirm buy not coin. Purchase successful. Okay, so we'll go for the third one with $15. So which one are we going to buy now? Let's check hello. Let's see if hello is there. You go back to this arrow, you click on it, you type hello. Hello is not on Bybit. Okay, so let's look for another coin from our list. Ondo. Okay, let's try Ondo. ONDO. Ondo is here. Okay, so let's buy Ondo. So we'll get Ondo again with our $15. You click buy. You confirm the buying of Ondo. Okay, that's purchase successful. So let's go back to our assets and check if what we bought have already reflected there. So we have here the USDT has reduced to $16. Okay, the Notcoin is there, the SRP is there, the Punky we bought it before, we bought cake before, we're still going to buy more. Then Ondo. Ondo has not reflected. Okay, so the Ondo has reflected. So we have the Notcoin here, the SRP, the Punky, the cake, and the Ondo that we just bought last. Okay, as you can see, the Ondo has already appreciated by 0.7 cents. Okay, so that is it. If you want to sell, maybe the market has appreciated and you want to sell the dollars, you want to convert. So if the market has appreciated and you want to sell the coins you just bought, or you just want to sell a portion of it, or you want to sell all that you need to do is to come back to trade. You click on sell. Instead of buy here, you click on sell. Okay, then like let's assume you want to trade Ondo. You want to use Ondo to sell to USDT, so you now select Ondo. Maybe 10 Ondo, which will be 9 USDT. So as soon as you're done, you click sell. So first of all, you select sell, you put the amount of Ondo you want to sell, then you click sell. It will automatically transfer the coin to the stable coin, transfer the Ondo to the stable USDT. Okay, which you can now trade on P2P or whichever way you want to trade it to get raw cash. Okay, thank you. That's all for how to trade, how to buy the coins on Bybit. If not subscribe to our channel, if not join our page, kindly do so. Give us a thumb up and also share. Comment if there's any clarification you needed.